boss looking like that. Turn up on the salon that her hair like that.
Try again, boo-boo.
Try again, boo-boo.
Try again.
Boo-boo.
OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong.
She rich.
Give me the phone. I'm finna take this half a picture.
She ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. I got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
What girl?
A baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor with no shoes.
What's up?
I had to get cute today.
Apple bottom jeans, fur boots today.
I had to keep it looking good, cause my baby daddy just made bail. He a thug, he a shoot today. New baby, need new shoes today. And child support check get to it today. Got my tracks yesterday.
Hey girl, did you get the glue today? Know it.
Gone be feet up.
Mood tramp. It's the 15th, I got my food stamps.
Got a brand new piercing.
Brand new tap. Paid $95 for this weed plus tax.
Been a thing of a while.
Spank with on.
No red hat is cake line. Set the track off the back of a rat that's whack. If she ever talk to smack, she thinks you wrong. Whatever. She alive. My number.
What bye?
Ooh, here she come, girl. Be quiet.
Hey girl. What you doing? Get it, girl. You better get it. Turn around. Spin. Oh, it's hi. Okay. Hi, girl.
What does she have on?
She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong.
She rich.
Give me the phone. I'm going to take this half a picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with those shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
I can't stand her.
Ooh, she too fake.
My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends
call me Kari.
The club is free before we left it. Pre-game, then we
Hey.
party. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, cause culture is my future baby daddy.
Maury.
Got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my press ons. Pound, team dark skin.
We don't like no red bones.
Your lip in my pic. New heavy got good. Hit me up on
Facebook and follow me on Twitter.
I'm with Team Flip Phone.
Team Chris Brown.
She
Don't shut it up. I'm with Team Shut It Down.
I'm with Team Bad Chick.
Team with your man.
If he got a lot of money,
In this scene he paying.
New camera phone go zoom.
Click.
You know what that mean?
Bathroom pick.
Y'all already know throwing do. Since my booty on the sink, I'm too. Sick up his beeline trick. That ain't you. And even if it is trick,
You ain't cute.
That's a red hair trick. That ain't true. All that your own trick. That ain't rules.
OMG, what do she have on?
She
Ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong.
She rich.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this half a picture.
She ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Know you ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with those shoes on.
He ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet. Hold on.
Who you staring at?
Who you looking at?
Who you looking at, ho?
Looking at you on the
Stare, ho. Stare.
The nails do come off.
My nails do come off. Oh, hell no. Let me put my weaves up. Stare. I'm too grown.
What's up? What's up?
Whatever. Stare, ho.
Whatever.
Stare.
Whatever. She right.
Ratchet.